love, give your heart, or you give me broken heart. Broken heart, I want it back. Broken heart, I got it back. Give your love, give your heart, or you give me broken heart. Give your love, give your heart, or you give me broken heart. Broken heart, I want it back. Broken heart, I got it back. From love.
I got something to say, and I killed her baby today. Doesn't matter much to me as long as it's there. But I got something to say. I raped your mother today. Doesn't matter much to me as long as she's free. 3 lovely days I am waiting for your prayer. But we take one last go. One last go. One last caressing day. One last caressing
The sonic flatline of some lo-fi punk there, recorded in cheap stereo sound. I love it anyway. Kicking off that triple play, I got totally distracted with the whole sonic thing there. Buzzcocks kicking it off, Lipstick, the start of the relationship. In the middle there, that quickie, The Casualties with Punk Rock Love, and that final track there you might be familiar with. It's the Misfits with Last Caress. A little bit about love and punk. I love punk. That's why I'm playing it. It's getting me hyped up. I don't need any more caffeine. You are listening to Parallel Sound here on Swear FM 99.9 every Tuesday from 6 till 7. Best punk, alternative and indie music that you will find in Sydney, or as I like to say sometimes, around the world. Most people listening around the world probably just think, I'll just go along with it. But go along with it. Why not? I'm going to play a local band now. Semi-local. All right, the singer is a Victorian, and we won't hold that against her. She does her best, Courtney Love. She tries very hard. I still like the band, though, so we're going to hear 2 songs now from Chicks. This first one, it's also not an A band. These are 2 D bands, but let's not rank them D bands. They start with D. First one is The Distillers, and this is Young, Crazed, Peeling. This is a great one. Enjoy this.
Are you ready to be liberated on this inside city street? Well, the birds have been free from their cages. I got freedom in my ears. My name is Brody, I'm from Melbourne, Fitzroy, Melbourne, Fitzroy, Melbourne. I grew up on Bell Street, then on Cannon Street. My mom kicked down my dad. Found a way, she found a way out of spiritual penury. Wasn't single mother in an urban struggle. Blame myself now 'cause I grew up troubled. Hit me. I got everything I need. It hit me. I got everything I need. I'm not one heart, not too much of a start to see people come and go, living large and living low. You can build up your wall sitting on death row, let the cartan fall on your murdered soul. But watch it all dance while your story gets smacked off your head, go down a drum road, boy, you won't trigger, this will be the last time. In me, I got everything I need. In me, I got everything I need. So I speak out the truth of the heart, like a desperate thirst in a raging drought. Hey, yeah, time flies by, there's an everlasting battle for eternal life. I love a man from California, he's the prettiest, and we got the same disorder. Why you feel it's okay, it's never gonna change anyway. I got everyone I need. In me, I got everyone I need. Are you ready to be liberated on this desert city street? Well, the birds have been free from their cages. I got freedom in my youth. Yeah, I got freedom in my youth.
Are you ready to be liberated? Apparently, Brody and the Distillers are. I have to do a very special shout out right now to two lovely women that are right now situated in Piermont, pretty close to each other. They probably don't realise how close they are to each other. One is Nat and the other one is Charlie. I hope you're enjoying the show. I think you are, actually. Great music. It keeps you uplifted and going rah. Nat can picture exactly what I'm doing right now. Okay, back to the other song in this ladies double play, the Devotchkas. I don't know what that means. I don't think I want to know what that means. The track is called Live Fast, Die Young.
Here's what for ya!
Oh, truly international this show is. As I just found out, Devochka's there is Russian for girl. Or chick or lady. I just think chick, so that's just my go-to. Another chick that's actually listening in now is Dawn at Guildford. I'm not sure what you're making of the music, but I think you might be enjoying it if you are listening. Great stuff. Enjoy your night anyway. You're listening to Parallel Sounds here on Swar FM 99.9. One of my favourite tracks from one of my most favourite unknown bands from the early 80s. And yes, they start with the letter A. This is the Adolescents. And funnily enough, the song starts with A as well. Amoeba. This is a good one.
In our lab, looking through the microscope. The little glass sides, they never lie. How can this small mind cope? I've never seen anything like it before. This amoeba's got a mind of its own. But don't turn your back to stupid science world. This is reaching for the telephone. One cell thing, hardly knows it's alive. You're better off dead if you only knew your growing life's taking a dive. I've never seen anything like it before. This amoeba's got a mind of its own. But don't turn away, you stupid science world. This is reaching for the telephone.